This is Amana Mishra, and I'm really thankful for the support and guidance from the coding team. They're well versed with the latest technology and latest programming languages. But what makes them different from others is their wonderful teaching style, which is being very approative and supportive, whether it's from handing down projects or one-to-one lessons or a very interactive lesson. They're always committed to complete all our doubts until our topic is completely clear. This website consists of many navigation controls, but the most major ones are the homepage, the discounts, and the contact. For this website, I have used HTML as the base, CSS for styling, and Bootstrap as the layout and for incorporating the different components into this website. Bootstrap is a very integral part of my website. I made sure that this page is a fully responsible website. But what made this website a more challenging situation is to make this website a fully responsive one. So in order to overcome this problem, I ensured to take many Bootstrap classes and as well started to test my website in different devices of different sizes. And this is how I overcame my Bootstrap problem. But at the same time, I've learned the difference and the capabilities of Bootstrap as well as learned the enhancing of HTML and CSS skills. And at the same time, testing my website in many different devices which of different sizes. And the basic structure of my website is HTML as the base, CSS for the styling, Bootstrap for the layout and for the making it incorporated parts into different components. And since Bootstrap was a very integral part of my website, I made sure to add as much of Bootstrap as I could. But at the same time, they're working at the high-tech companies and working on cutting-edge projects. And they're well committed in teaching us, and not only they're good at that, but they're also very passionate about coding and education, which creates a very lively atmosphere and environment, which encourages the students to ask their doubts, to clear all the concepts, and at the same time enhance their skills.